What if your home could become the most magical place to count down the new year? What if the moment your guests walk in, they feel swept into a world of sparkle, elegance, glow, and celebration, a space that feels alive with the excitement of midnight? New Year's Eve decorations aren't just festive extras. They create the atmosphere. They shape the energy. They make the night feel unforgettable. Imagine warm golden lighting, champagne-toned decor, shimmering accents that reflect the room like fireworks, elegant table setups, glowing backdrops, and every detail styled to perfection. Tonight, we're turning your home into the ultimate New Year's Eve celebration. Glamorous, cozy, modern, and full of that electric countdown magic.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why should you decorate for New Year's Eve? New Year's Eve is a night of energy, renewal, excitement, and hope. The right decorations elevate all of those emotions, making the celebration feel intentional and memorable. Decorations create a festive environment that encourages connection, relaxation, joy, and reflection. They transform your home from an everyday space into a celebration zone. Glowing, sparkling, and filled with celebration spirit, they help people feel the moment more deeply. They visually represent the fresh start we're stepping into. They create a sense of ceremony, a sense that this moment matters. Decor sets the tone, and when your space glows beautifully, the entire night becomes unforgettable. If you love meaningful celebration moments, tap like to keep the inspiration flowing. What are the best colors for New Year's Eve decor? New Year's Eve colors are bold, glamorous, and filled with symbolism. Gold represents celebration, wealth, and the excitement of new beginnings. Silver symbolizes clarity, winter shimmer, and futuristic energy. Black brings nighttime elegance and dramatic contrast. White adds brightness, purity, and a clean slate feeling for the year ahead. Champagne tones add soft luxury that blends effortlessly with any palette. Whether you choose a gold and black luxurious theme, a silver and white winter glow, or a champagne-inspired modern celebration, your color palette sets the emotional tone for the entire night. Choose a palette that feels like the new year you want to create: bold, elegant, fresh, warm, or sparkling. Subscribe for more color scheme decor breakdowns for every holiday. How can lighting transform your New Year's Eve atmosphere? Lighting is everything for New Year's Eve. It creates mood. It adds drama. It turns an ordinary room into a cinematic celebration scene. Fairy lights give your space a soft twinkle that feels magical. Warm white LED lights create an inviting glow that makes guests feel instantly comfortable. Candlelight adds romantic warmth and makes metallic decor shine with elegance. Glowing orbs or light-up decorations reinforce the festive energy, like miniature fireworks indoors. Lighting should feel warm, layered, and dynamic. When the clock approaches midnight and the room glows, you create a moment people will remember long after the night ends. Check the description for all lighting ideas featured in this video. How can you create a stunning New Year's Eve backdrop? The backdrop is the visual heart of New Year's Eve. It becomes the place where photos happen, where people gather, where the countdown is captured. Metallic fringe curtains shimmer in the light and instantly create a party vibe. Balloon arches bring height, shape, and drama to the scene. Neon signs like Cheers, Happy New Year, or 2025 add trendy modern flair. Layered textures like velvet drapes, tulle, or sequined fabric create elegant depth. Your backdrop should feel celebratory yet polished. It should make every photo look like a magazine cover, every moment feel cinematic, and every guest feel like they stepped into a glamorous event. Save this video to your playlist so you can recreate your backdrop step by step. How can you design a New Year's Eve table setup that feels luxurious? Your table is where everyone gathers, before and after the countdown. It should feel inviting, elegant, and celebratory. Start with a velvet or sequined runner that instantly adds richness. Layer plates, chargers, napkins, and glassware in shimmering tones that complement your color scheme. Add a centerpiece full of candles, greenery, metallic branches, and reflective elements. Scatter small decorations like ornaments, stars, or confetti to add movement and sparkle. A beautifully decorated table makes guests linger longer, talk deeper, and truly enjoy the experience. It feels like a celebration. It feels intentional. It feels magical. Check the description for the table decor pieces featured in this video. How can balloons elevate your New Year's Eve decor? Balloons are fun, glamorous, and incredibly transformative. They add volume, height, movement, and party energy to any room. Number balloons instantly set the tone of the celebration. Clear balloons filled with confetti sparkle beautifully under lights. Gold or silver metallic balloons reflect candlelight and deepen the atmosphere. Balloon clusters placed in corners or around doorways pull the entire room together. They make the space feel lively, youthful, and full of celebration spirit. Perfect for New Year's Eve. Like and share this video if you love elegant balloon decor ideas. How can you decorate your bar cart or drink station for New Year's Eve? The bar cart becomes a star of New Year's Eve, where guests gather to toast, chat, and celebrate. Decorate it with sparkling glasses, metallic trays, elegant bottles, and festive mixers. Add candles or fairy lights for mood. Place small decor pieces like disco balls, florals, or miniature clocks to tie in the theme. A cheers sign or banner above the cart completes the moment beautifully. Your drink station becomes a glamorous focal point, full of life and celebration energy. Check the description for all bar cart styling items shown in this video. How can you decorate your entrance to set the mood from the moment guests arrive? Your entryway is the first impression of your celebration. It should feel festive, warm, and welcoming the moment someone steps inside. Use candles or lanterns to line the entry path. Add a small table with a festive centerpiece or sign. Hang metallic decor or a shimmering curtain behind the entry door. Place a bowl of confetti, beads, or party favors for guests to grab as they arrive. The right entrance tells guests, "This night is going to be special." Save this video to your playlist to recreate your entryway setup. And that is how you transform your home into the ultimate New Year's Eve celebration. Glowing with magic, sparkling with excitement, and filled with unforgettable atmosphere. This year, let your decor tell a story of hope, of joy, of celebration, of beautiful beginnings. May your night be full of laughter, sparkle, warmth, and unforgettable midnight magic. Happy New Year! May your home shine brighter than ever,